Hello everyone, are you ready to take your Batmobile to the next level? In this video, we'll show you how to put the vibration module on your Batcontroller and how to use it. Firstly, we are going to assume you assembled your Batcontroller. Way to go, by the way. Now it's time to take off the acrylic casing from the front side, both of them. So, take the screwdriver and unscrew these black bolts from the front. Don't worry, it's all part of the process. We need to do this in order to put the module on the controller. Take off both casings. Next up, it's time to take this bigger part of the casing and put it on the left side of the controller. Make sure that this longer part is on the bottom and the shorter part is on the top. Now, take this black thing called the vibration module and put it on the right side of the controller. At the bottom of the vibration motor, you can find a white sticker that you have to take off and stick the motor here. Now you can add the smaller piece of the casing and put it on your vibration module. Don't forget the casing. Take the top one with no hole for the display and put it on the top. Take the bolts and screw the Batcontroller. There you have it. The last thing you have to do is connect pins from the vibration module to the Batcontroller with this wire. Make sure this part is on the front while putting it into the controller and that you bend the wire like this. Now your Batcontroller is ready. Turn it on, use a boost and check out the cool features. You should feel the vibration coming out of the controller and you can see the boost bar on the LEDs here.